All right, what is up, people? I'm back again. I know it's been a while.
Come on, man.
All right, so here's the update you've all been waiting for. I know the posting has been extremely inconsistent, but I want to sort of talk about that today. I really didn't mean to disappear on y'all. That's not what I wanted to happen. I know a lot of you have been trying to reach out to me, and I really appreciate that. I'm good. Things are fine. I was in school full time. Now I graduated. Now I'm working full time. So life kind of just hit me, and RC stuff had to sort of take a back seat for a little bit. And I know I dropped the ball, but I had to keep my mind straight on my priorities. It's crazy. I've been doing this on YouTube for 9 years, and I never thought it would blow up like it did. So what's the plan moving forward? I want to get back on track with the videos for sure, but it's going to be tough. Like I said, it's just not the same. I don't have the free time like I used to. I literally been trying to shoot this video for 3 weeks. So that should tell you. And I know some of you are probably like,
bro, just stop with the excuses, make videos.
And you are right, but at the same time, it's just not as easy as it looks. Before any of this blew up, it was just a hobby to me. It was just something to do on the side for fun. But as I started to grow, I'd spend more and more time with these builds, and I would sort of lock myself away. Like that wasn't healthy for me. Yeah, I was making money, but at the same time, when it starts to feel forced, like it's not fun anymore. And that goes for anything. Like if you play baseball and you love playing baseball on the weekends, but you started being forced every single day to play baseball, it sort of can get old. Don't get me wrong, I love RC. It's a great hobby, but I had to sort of moderate myself how much time I was spending on it. So I kind of had to step back, regroup, and then take my time with it, Again, I know this sounds like a bunch of excuses, but I just want y'all to see my perspective. As a creator, you go through high points and you go through low points. Like, that's just part of the game. Well, last time I posted, I was sitting at 47,000. Now I'm at 74,000 subs, and it's on the way to 100, which is crazy to think about. But over the years, I've evolved a lot as a creator, and I'm just excited to see what's going to be the next step for this channel. I know you're all wondering, I still have all my personal builds. There's no way I could ever get rid of them. To me, they're priceless. Like, how could you sell this? So I know that was a lot to take in. You can rewind, watch it again to sort of understand what I'm saying. So now I want to ask you guys two things, two simple questions. One, what was the video that brought you to my channel, if you can remember? And two, what do you guys want to see moving forward? So think about that. Let me know in the comments. I do read all of them. And I know I promised a video this a while back, but it's finally going to happen for sure. Anyway, I know I've been talking a while. Y'all make sure to go in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking. Hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when I post. I'm going to get back on Instagram. I'll keep you guys posted. So until then, take it easy.